Why your watch battery dies so soon.
Are you tired of charging your watch? Samsung watch for Classic LTE.
There are so many reasons due to which your watch is losing its life and getting drained very soon. Know your reason today here with us. Number 1. Bugs in an application. Number 2. Always on health tracker. Number 3. More data in watch internal storage. Number 4. Always running app in the background. Number 5. Keeping LTE mode on all the time. Number 6. Using map and navigation more.
If you are liking the video, please like and subscribe.
Number 7. Long calls through watch. Number 8. Keeping display always on. Number 9. Using high brightness in your watch all the time. Number 10. Voice wake up active in Bixby. Number 11. Not using power saver mode. Number 12. Exposing watch to extreme temperature. Thanks for watching.